Hey, how's it going? Listen, you've done some work during the lockdown period, right? How much did you manage to make?
Yeah, that's right. I was really lucky to have a full-time job during this crazy time, and I was tutoring all the time. I was making like
What's going on, guys? Dennis Black is here, and today we're gonna talk about best ways of making money during the lockdown. Now, I've already made a separate video earlier last year about how you can earn money during lockdown as a creator, photographer, designer that you can watch here, but this particular video is related to everyone. Now, I've checked some other videos around this topic and listened what other people have to say about it, and to be honest, I disagree with most of their tips. Well, this is probably one of the reasons why I'm making this video, because most of the tips people are advising is like start a YouTube channel, make your own podcast, do a live stream, create a blog and stuff like that. I mean, yes, I agree that these are good ideas that you can do from home during the lockdown and you don't need to go outside in order to do so, but it's gonna take you ages to build that audience from zero and get enough exposure online before you will start making any money. Probably the lockdown will finish already and COVID-19 might be over by the time you will get some decent audience. Hopefully it will finish soon. On average it takes from 6 to 12 months in order to gain your first 1000 subscribers here on YouTube, and this is when you can only enable monetization feature on your channel, which will bring you your first pennies. And even after that you need to constantly make and post content to keep up with the algorithm, so it's not that fast and easy like it seems. That's why I can officially say that those ideas are busted. So let's talk about the real ways how you can earn money during the lockdown and can start doing it pretty much from today. Before we jump straight into the actual ways, I want you to firstly check one important thing that potentially could bring you money in your pocket right now, like instantly, and I'm not even joking. It's called unclaimed funds, and I really recommend for everyone to check it first. According to official ASIC website, apparently there is around 1.5 billion of lost money that you can claim from bank accounts, shares, investments and life insurance policies. So what is unclaimed money? It is money in bank accounts and life insurance policies which has not been touched or claimed for a certain amount of time, usually for more than 7 years. This money becomes lost when you move house or go overseas and forget to update your details with the financial institution or company. Or people may be just unaware there is money to which they have a rightful claim. Now, all unclaimed money received by ASIC, and it is transferred to the Commonwealth of Australia Consolidated Revenue Fund. It is available to be claimed at any time by the rightful owner, and there is no time limit on claims. So everything that you need to do is go to moneysmart.gov.au/find unclaimed money. Type in your name and wait for the magic to happen. Or if you're living in America, for example, IRS might owe you something as well. Just simply go to this US website and check everything by yourself. So now that we know that we don't have any missing money left sitting somewhere, let's jump straight into the tips. That was a long intro, I know. The first way of making money during the lockdown is teaching skills online. This is probably the most popular way of earning income during this time because everything that you need to have is your computer and internet. That's all. Between 2017 and 2021, the worldwide e-learning market increased by 200% at a value of $250 billion. And by year 2025, it's expected to reach over $300 billion. This is some crazy huge numbers out there. You can start your online tutor journey by joining one of the established platforms like TutorMe, Coursera, Udemy and others, where you just need to create an account and start teaching people worldwide depending on your skills. Or you can just simply use Skype or Zoom video calls if you already got some potential clients. You can teach English language, you can teach Russian language. Всем привет! Подписывайтесь на канал. If you're a photographer or videographer, you can teach people how to edit photos or videos. You can also give paid psychology consultations, financial, marketing consultations. If you're a fitness trainer or choreographer, you can do a personal workouts through a video calls, or you can just film your workout and sell it as a digital product. You can teach pretty much anything depending on your expertise. By the way, I've actually got a friend who is teaching English online. Let's just quickly call her and ask her feedback about this industry in general. Hey, how's it going? Listen, you've done some work during the lockdown period, right? How much did you manage to make?
Yeah, that's right. I was really lucky to have a full-time job during this crazy time, and I was tutoring all the time. I was making like $500 per week or so.
Nice, not too bad. Have you noticed any differences while working during the pandemic? Like, did you have more clients than usual, or it's about the same?
Before pandemic, I used to work for a language school in my native town, but when the pandemic started, I managed to start working for myself, which absolutely made everything easier.
This is awesome. And how long have you been tutoring for?
I guess for about 5 years so far.
5 years. So as a person with 5 years experience working in this field, what are the main advantages and disadvantages working in your opinion?
Of course, the first advantage is flexibility, because you can work from anywhere you want, as well as your students can study from anywhere they want. Maybe disadvantage is like lack of human touch, but that's also something that you can manage and get used to it.
Nice, I love it. All right, thanks for the chat, Tanya. I have to run and finish this video.
Oh, no worries, like have fun. And for everyone who is watching us right now, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to this awesome channel.
That's right, 100%. Otherwise, there is no point of making this video if there are no likes and subs here, right? All right, ciao. Yeah. Alright, the second way of making money during the lockdown is by starting your print-on-demand online business. For everyone who is not familiar what print-on-demand is, it's a fulfillment process that dropships products to customers only after a sale goes through. This means that the merchandise will never require management, storage or protection. Now, a lot of people think that it is quite hard to establish this type of business, but it's actually not and requires almost zero upfront cost. Everything that you have to do is to create some cool design. If you don't have a graphic design skills, you can ask your friends or find some freelancer who can do it for you. Then you find a dropshipping company like well known to everyone Printful, for example, that I personally use for years already to sell my own photo prints as well. I will include the link to this company in the description of this video below so you can go and check it out. Then you choose products that you want your design to be printed on, like t-shirts, phone cases, decor. You can even print on a face mask, look at that. Then you quickly open up your shop on Amazon, Shopify, Etsy or Squarespace, whatever you choose, link your shop to dropshipping company and that's it. Everything from this point is automated and handled by the dropshipping company that you choose. How cool is that? As soon as you get an order, it automatically goes to the dropshipping company, then it will be printed and sent straight to your customer. You literally don't have to do anything except of promoting your products online. The third way of making money during the lockdown is by starting to monetize your hobby or something that you're passionate about. Now, what I mean by that is if you have a hobby that you've been doing for a while, but you've done it only exclusively for yourself or close family members, for example, now it's the best time to monetize it. For example, you are good at baking cakes and every year you've been making them for your friends' birthdays and everyone freaking love it and tells how good you are. So now you've got an opportunity to actually make money on it by selling them custom made to other people. If you're good at drawing, you can do a custom portrait drawings. If you're good in tailoring, you can create some custom made clothing and so on and so on. You got my point. Another way of making money during the quarantine is starting a resale business. While some people decided to do a cleanup of their home spaces and sell out some old stuff away, other people can make money on it. Now, this way is quite straightforward. You go to the websites like Gumtree, Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace, then you buy some old stuff that you're able to repair, polish and make it look much more presentable, and then just resell it on Amazon or eBay with some markup. You can even ask to deliver that old stuff to your own house where you're gonna fix those items, so you don't have to leave your house if you're not able to during the lockdown. You can actually resell some of your own personal stuff as well. If you take a good look around your home, chances are there is numbers of things you no longer need that could be sold online.
How you going, mate? I'm just calling about your Corolla. Are you really being serious, or is this a joke, or?
Again, you just go on those websites that I've mentioned before and just sell pretty much anything on them. From clothes you no longer wear, books you already read, bikes, old ski gear, kitchen appliances and furniture you're no longer using. So as you guys see, it's really important to have a multiple streams of income, especially during such unpredictable times like this. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, because if something gonna happen to your main stream of income, your other streams will help you to stay afloat. Alright, that's all for today guys. That was my top tips on how you can make money during the lockdown. Remember, we are all in this together. It's all temporary things, so we just need to be a bit more stronger and tougher during this time, and we definitely make it through. I believe in you. As always, don't forget to smash that like button if you like this video. Hit subscribe if that is something you're into it, and I will definitely see you guys, do you know when? In the next one. Peace!